Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. We're going to be keeping it Christmassy on the channel today. So I have these two Christmas tree moulds. Self-explanatory. There we go, they fill from the bottom. I have some resin mixed up, ready to go. And ruby red holographic chunky glitter from Leo Bro. So, I think it's self-explanatory. I'm going to dump a load of glitter in the resin and then pour it in the moulds, wait for it to set, and then demould pure Christmas glittery joy. So, start with that and see how we feel. I feel like that's good. I don't want to put any more in, which is strange because I'm normally about over glittering everything, but let's try like that. I think then it gives space for lights to shine through, light to reflect off the different pieces of glitter. Yeah, let's stick with that. So I'm going to go for the bigger one first. If I don't have enough for the bigger one or the smaller one as well, I can mix more up. So I'm just going to go straight ahead, pour in the middle, oh yeah, that was basically just the bigger one. Let me move that light for you. Just the bigger one done there. So I'm going to mix a bit more resin up for the smaller one. I'll be right back. Okay, so got some more resin mixed up. I'm going to grab our glitter again. Give this a mix. See if we're roughly about the same as last time. I think we are. I think they should be very similar. Great, let's pour into here. There we go. Perfect amount, guys. Look at that. Only a tiny little bit left. There we go. Oh, exciting. These lights make it better or worse? Worse. Alright, so they're super glittery to me. I'm not sure if you can see it too well on camera at the moment. That's fine. I'm just going to give them a quick torch. That'll make it better. Slightly better on camera for you. There we go. Right. I'll see you when they're set and we can demould and be full of Christmas cheer together. It's time to demould the glitter trees. Dun dun dun. So this one is a bit more oval shaped. I think that's simply because of the mould. Not that bothered about it. Oh, okay. Once you flip the mould out, sneak peek for me there, guys. Should I? Right, they're both the same. So what I'm going to do. Oops. So I'll pop that off camera for the moment. demould this and then show you both at the same time. They're just different size versions of the same thing. Right, first our moulds. How are they looking? Nothing ripped. They look clean on the inside. Yeah, there's a little bit of red on the outside, not bothered. Fab. We'll definitely be using again. Not sure that's the best way to store them, probably like that. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Now, wow. Okay, the same thing happened with both of them. So, 1, 2, yeah, the first 3 seem to have collected all of the glitter on both moulds. And then the final last bit at the bottom is where the air bubbles are. Okay, so they reacted in exactly the same way. Just pop that one down for a second. Can you see that from the top? Oh. See all of the glitter. Oh, it's very, very sparkly. These are very cute. I do love these, the way that they catch the light. Glittery little sparkles. They almost look like you could make them into, like if you put a head on the top and some arms maybe into a little person. They are super cute, really cute, just to go on top of the fireplace or by the television or on the dining table, in the hallway. Just a nice little classy glimpse of Christmas cheer and sparkle. Well, let me know what you think, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. And have a super Christmassy, wonderful, fantastic day. I'll see you next time. Bye.